sounds begin. Sizzle on the pan, tender song, steam rising slow, where dreams belong. Chop and stir, a rhythmic dance, in every breath a quiet chance. Whispers in the kitchen, calm and low, melodies that ebb and flow. A soothing breeze, a tender hue, blues that cradle me and you. Knife meets board, a gentle tap, echoes hum beneath the map. Flavors blend in silent grace, a tender touch, a warm embrace. Whispers in the kitchen, calm and low, melodies that ebb and flow. A soothing breeze, a tender hue, blues that cradle me and you. Let the sound surround but never steal the ASMR, the soul we feel, soft and smooth, the velvet night supporting every subtle bite. Quiet moments, soft and true, in this space, just me and you. Whispers fade, but still remain a soothing song inside the flame. Soft light